Welcome to our AutoCAD tutorial series. In today's video, we'll introduce you to the AutoCAD 2020 interface. Whether you're new to AutoCAD or upgrading from an older version, understanding the interface is crucial for efficient workflow. Let's dive in. When you first open AutoCAD 2020, you'll be greeted by the Start tab. Here, you can open recent drawings, start new projects, or access learning resources. At the top of the interface, you'll find the ribbon. The ribbon is organized into tabs, such as Home, Insert, Annotate, and more. Each tab contains panels with tools and commands grouped by function. The Home tab is where you'll find most of the commonly used tools, like drawing, modifying, and annotation tools. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the command line. The command line is where you'll type commands and see prompts and feedback from AutoCAD. It's an essential part of the interface, especially for executing precise commands. The large central area is the drawing area, where you'll create and edit your designs. You can use the mouse to pan and zoom around your drawing. Try holding the middle mouse button to pan or scrolling to zoom in and out. At the very bottom, you'll find the status bar. The status bar provides quick access to settings and tools like Grid Snap, Ortho Mode, and Object Snap. These settings help you control your drawing precision and behavior. On the right side of the screen, you have the navigation bar and view cube. The navigation bar includes tools for zooming and panning, while the view cube helps you navigate 3D models by clicking on different faces and edges to change views. On the left, you have the Properties palette, which displays properties of selected objects and allows you to modify them. On the right, you have the Tool palettes, which provide quick access to frequently used tools and content, like blocks and hatches. AutoCAD also offers customizable workspaces. You can switch between different workspaces using the Workspace switcher on the status bar. Each workspace is tailored for specific tasks, such as drafting and annotation, 3D modeling, or 3D basics. You can customize the interface to suit your workflow. Right-click on the ribbon or tool palettes to add, remove, or rearrange tools and commands. This flexibility helps you create an efficient and personalized workspace. You can customize the interface to suit your workflow tools menu in the menu bar. You can view or hide ribbon, command bar, or tool palettes. I will give you special tips about menu bar in this video. Okay, this is the today's special AutoCAD tip, how to show and hide menu bar. New AutoCAD versions hide this menu bar. We can show it following method. Type menu bar in command line, press the enter key, then command bar ask. Enter new value for menu bar. If value 0 hide the menu bar, and if value 1 hide the menu bar. And that's a quick overview of the AutoCAD interface. Familiarizing yourself with these components will make your drafting and design process much smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Happy designing! If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my lesson for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you love the AutoCAD I create and want to stay updated, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Let me show you how. Just go to my channel by clicking on my profile picture below any of my videos or search for my channel name in the YouTube search bar. Once you're there, you'll see a black subscribe button. Click on it. Don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it. This way, you'll get notifications every time I upload a new video. You don't want to miss out. Head over to my Facebook page by searching for my name in the Facebook search bar. Once you're on my page, click the follow button. Easy, right? You can also like my page to show some extra support and see my posts in your feed. Open the Instagram app and search for my username in the search bar. When you find my profile, tap the follow button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Bye.